Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we want to look at this question. So we want to find the value of x. So how do we solve it? So let's just solve it. Solution. So we have x squared minus x raised to the power of 3. Then this comes to this side, it becomes negative. We have invisible plus here. So when you cross to the other side, it becomes what? Negative. Now, so we can rearrange this. This is a cubic polynomial. So to rearrange it, we can bring this. We have minus x raised to the power 3 plus x raised to the power of 2 minus 12 is equal to 0. Why? Because this minus is for this. So now we want to eliminate this minus. Do you understand? So to do that, we are going to multiply through by minus 1. So minus and minus will give us what? S raised to power 3 plus this one becomes negative. We are multiplying through by minus 1 minus s squared. Then this one becomes right. Now we want to factorize. So we are looking for two numbers that we can add together to give us 12. And you can raise it to the power of 2 and also raise it to the power of what? 3. So now let's do it. So we have s raised to the power of 3 minus s raised to the power of 2 plus 4 plus 8 is equal to 0. So 4 plus 8 is the same thing as what? 12. So we have s raised to the power of 3 minus s raised to the power of 2 plus 2 raised to the power of 2 plus 2 raised to the power of 3 is equal to 0. So we have expressed it in the form of index form like this. So we now have the cube and the square. Now the next thing we are going to do is to group them together. The one that has the cube together and the one that has square together. So we have s raised to the power of 3, then plus 2 raised to the power of 3, then minus s raised to the power of square plus 2 raised to the power of square is equal to 0. Now, when you have something like this, when you have a having it raised to the power of, we have formula to use. We have a raised to the power of 3 plus b raised to the power of 3. We are going to use this formula. We have a plus b into the bracket a square minus ab plus b square. So anytime you have this formula, you use this formula. So when you have this difference of 2 square, when you have a square, right, plus b square, you are going to use this a plus b into bracket a minus b, right? So now we are going to apply this formula here, So s plus 2, so this becomes our a and this becomes our b. So a plus b was x, that means what? X plus 2 into bracket a square, which is y square, minus ab, which is 2x, plus b square, which is 4, into brackets. So we have done with this. Then we use this formula for this. So we have a, b. So we have a plus b was s plus 2. Let me write it s plus 2. Let me just clean so that I can write it afresh. Okay, guys, so this is where we stop. So before we continue, guys, if you are here on this my channel and you are here to subscribe to my YouTube channel, please, before we continue, just take a few seconds, subscribe to my channel, like my video, and give this video a thumbs up. The more you like the video, the more YouTube recommend this video to more people. So I really appreciate it. So let's continue. Now we have s plus 2 here, s plus 2 here, right? So now we need to factorize it by bringing out the one that has, we have the same, s plus 2 is coming here, s plus 2 is coming here. So we bring it out. So we have x plus 2 into brackets. So this cancel this, you have this left. So we have s squared minus 2x plus 4 into brackets. So this cancel this, right? You have x minus 2, right, left is equal to what? 0. So now we have x plus 2, right, into brackets. So we want to open the brackets here. X squared minus 2x plus 4 minus x, then we have plus 2 is equal to what? 0. So we have x plus 2, right, is equal to 0, or this. So if we can still collect lifetime here. We have x squared minus 2x minus x is what? Minus 3x plus 4 plus 2, we have plus 6 is equal to 0. So we have x plus 2 is equal to what? 0. So we have x plus 2 is equal to 0, or x minus 2. When this cross to this side, it becomes what? Negative. So now to get s here we are going to use factorization method. Oh no, sorry, we are going to use formula method. So we have minus b plus or negative b squared minus 4ac over 2a. So from here we have our a to be what? 1. This is coefficient of s square here is what? 1. So our a is what? 1. Coefficient of s here is what? B, which is what? This is b, which is minus 3. Our coefficient of c here is what? Constant, which is 6. So we are going to substitute it into the value of into this formula. So minus b is what? This b is what? Minus 3. Don't forget, this is minus 3. So minus is equal to what? Minus 3 is equal to what? Then we have plus or negative. B square is what? Minus 3 square minus 4 times a. What is our a? 1 times c, which is 6, over 2 multiplied by a, which is what? 1. So we have minus times minus gives us what? 3 plus or negative. So we have 9 minus times 3 times minus 3 will give us positive 9. Minus 4 times 1 4 times 6 24 over 2. So we have 3 plus or minus. So this one will give us negative, which is minus 15 over 2. Right? Minus 15 over 2. Okay, so now we have this minus 15, 3 plus or negative. This minus 15 is the same thing as minus 15 times minus 1. And minus, so our answer is what? 15i. Why? Because minus 15 times 15 times minus 1 is the same thing as what? Minus 15i. So minus 1 is the same thing as what? I. When you find the square root of minus 1, it gives you what? I. So we have 15i over 2. Right? So we now have 3 plus or 15i over 2. So this becomes our S2. Then we have 3 negative 15i over 2. Okay, guys, so this is the end of today's lesson. So we'll see you in the next class. Bye.